Look at these birds over here.
Mine.
They are gnawing on McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Mine.
Mine.
Mine. Give us it in. Mine. Welcome to day 21, everybody. Whoa! Happy Saturday.
Hello.
And I'm with... This is the part where you say your name.
Nobody can say the name.
How was your sleep last night, Ella, in your new bed? Because we're in the happiest place in the world.
Toys are us.
I can't talk, and this has been a delight all day. Where are we?
Breakfast place.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It's quite nice.
This place is amazing. They've even put the straw like that. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! What are those? What are those? What are those? He thought this was good. Check out that! That is quite amazing. Look at these birds over here.
Mine.
They are gnawing on McDonald's. I'm loving it.
Mine.
Mine.
Give us it in. Mine. Okie dokes, not many left. I think this time I'm gonna pick. Goodness, most of the ones I want are gone. I'm gonna pick that one there. That's Commissioner Gordon. Oh, that one there. Okay, I'm gonna pick number 1. That one. Let's have a look. See. Oh. Goodness gracious me. This boy might have defeated me. I think he might have done. Right. It calls for extraordinarily big measures. God, that was easy. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I did. Look, I did it on the line. Lego. Such fibbers. There we go. And it is Commissioner Gordon. Here's what a lovely little plaque you get. You thought we'd forgotten. Nighty night. See you in the morning.